Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be looking at examples of slope of line when 2 points are given to us, right? In the previous video, we already saw this formula that the slope of the line passing through 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2, that is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. In both the cases, whenever your angle theta is acute as well as your angle theta is obtuse, right? And whenever your angle theta is equal to 90 degrees, the slope is not defined in that case. So here you can see this first question. In the first question, the points are given to be as 3 minus 2 and minus 1 and 4, right? So here, according to this formula, what we can do, we can substitute our first point, let's take this to be 3 minus 2, and the second point, let's take this to be minus 1, 4. Right, so the slope of line could be written like this. The value of y2 here is 4 y2 minus the value of y1, which is minus 2, right, divided by the value of x2, which is minus 1, minus the value of x1, which is 3. When you solve this, you get the value as minus 3 by 2. Hence the slope of line is minus 3 by 2, which passes through these 2 points, right? Okay, for the next question here, we have the line passing through these 2 points, 3 minus 2 and 7 minus 2. So again, we'll be making use of this formula. Here the value of y2 is this one, minus 2, right? Now make sure that this is your x2, y2 and this is your x1, y1, right? Do not confuse in between these two values. So here y2 is minus 2 minus the value of y1, which is minus 2, right, divided by the value of x2, which is 7, minus the value of x1, which is 3, right? So these values. So when you solve them, you get the value as 0. So you see the slope of line which passes through these 2 points is 0. Hence, what can you deduce from it? We can clearly say the line is parallel to x-axis. And in fact, if you see this through the coordinate axis, the y coordinate here is the same for both. Right, y1 is also equal to minus 2 and y2 is also equal to minus 2. Hence, both the lines, hence you see the line has constant value of, from here you can make out that it has constant value of y. And what is that constant value of y? It is minus 2. So obviously your line would pass something, go something like this, and it is parallel to x-axis, right? That is why its slope is 0. Let's move on to our next question. Here they are saying we need to find the slope of line which passes through these 2 points, 3 minus 2 and 3, 4. So here let's again say this is as x1, y1, this as x2, y2. So here you see y2, 4 minus y1 minus 2 divided by x2, 3 minus x1, which is also 3. So you see in denominator you get 0. Hence our value, the value of slope, is not defined in this particular case. Hence we say the slope is undefined in this case. And moreover, if you draw it on the coordinate axis, now here you see the value of x is constant. It is for x1 it is 3, for x2 it is also 3. So x is remaining constant, so 1, 2, 3. So that means your line will pass through this point, correct? Right, so it would be parallel to this y-axis, correct? And hence its slope is undefined, right? So this is how you solve this. So by simple observation, you can make out from here that if your x coordinate is the same, right, it is not changing, so your line would definitely be parallel to y-axis, and in that case, you know, for y-axis the slope is not defined. And if your this y coordinate is the same, hence your line will be passing through the same y coordinate, hence it would be parallel to your x-axis, hence the slope is definitely going to be 0, right? So in the next video we'll be solving and understanding various other concepts. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.